Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi dumplings. First, ensure your kimchi is well drained to prevent soggy dumplings. Combine the chopped kimchi with your choice of ground meat, finely minced onion, and garlic in a large bowl. This mixture forms the heart of our delicious dumplings. We'll also need a package of good quality round dumpling wrappers, which are essential for easy folding and a perfect bite. Now, let's perfect our filling. To the kimchi and meat mixture, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. A small pinch of black pepper will enhance the overall taste. Gently but thoroughly mix all these ingredients together until they are evenly distributed. This ensures every dumpling is packed with balanced, savory flavor, making each bite a delightful experience. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble. Take 1 dumpling wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the filling in its center. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. Carefully fold the wrapper in half, creating a perfect semicircle. Then, firmly crimp the edges together, ensuring a tight seal. This prevents any delicious filling from escaping during cooking. Finally, let's cook our kimchi dumplings. You can boil them for 5 to 7 minutes until they float to the surface, or pan-fry them for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Steaming for 8 to 10 minutes also works wonderfully, yielding tender dumplings. Serve your freshly cooked kimchi dumplings immediately with your favorite dipping sauce for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.